Hi guys! So today we're going to be talking about the new Boxy Luxe box. I'm super excited. This thing is huge. Can you see how big it is? I wasn't expecting the box to be this big, but I guess I should have realized it since it's 11 items in the box. I do have everything on except for one item, and I'll let you know why here in a little bit. So what we get in the Boxy Luxe Charm box this month is a Vintage Cosmetics Dolly Bow makeup headband. So this is super cute. I have always wanted one of these to put my makeup on in the morning. And so it was pretty nice to get one and not have to like fuss about it. All I did was threw it on and then put my makeup on. So this is super cute, and I will definitely use this in the mornings while I'm getting ready for work and stuff. This little bow for your hair is a $4.99 value. So I'm actually really excited to have gotten that. I think it's really cute. And then the next thing I got in the box is from it's a limited edition photo finish primer water. This is the green scent. This one reminds me of like cucumber in a way. So this one says 3-in-1 primer, setting spray, hydrating prep, and finishing for your face. This was curated with Nicole Concilio. I don't know too much about her, but she is a YouTuber, and if you purchase this by itself, it would be $32. I have a lot of them. I love this stuff, so I was happy to get another one just to have a backup for this. All right, so the next item that we've got is from Sol de Janeiro, and it is the Sunset Glow Oil. So what I did is I went ahead and put it under my makeup, and then I went ahead and put it on top of my makeup as well. So it looks like this in the box. When I got mine was broken open already, so it kind of spilled all over the place, and I've got I've got this stuff all over me right now. So be very careful when you get this. Make sure you open it up gently before you shake it so it doesn't get all over the place. But mine, the cap was full of it, and I have shimmery stuff everywhere. So this is what it looks like, and basically you could put this on your body, or you could put it in with your foundation or under your foundation. And I did the under my foundation, and then I did a little bit on top so you can see the glow that's there, and that's what this is. It's coming from here, and it's also under my foundation, which I don't normally wear anything shimmery under my foundations, but I figured with a matte foundation it could be kind of nice, and we'll see what happens throughout the day. But I like the way it smells. It smells just like the Bum Bum cream, and I think it'd be really pretty on the body as well, but I don't really do body stuff. So this right here is a $35 value if you pick this up by itself in the store. All right, the number 4 item we got is our 732 Airbrush Foundation Brush. So it's like this. It's a really nice foundation brush. I actually used it for contouring, and I used it for bronzing my face because I forgot to use it with my foundation. I ended up using my beauty sponge for my foundation. But this is a $38 brush if you bought it at the retail store. I think that the brush is actually really nice. It's very like soft bristles, and it's pretty dense, so I think it'd be really good for foundation. For me, I think it did really well for contouring my face, and it did blend in everything really well. So I think this is a really nice brush. I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for yet, if I'm going to use it for that, if I'm going to use it for foundation. I guess I'll figure it out, but so far I like this brush. It's super nice and super, you know, dense and soft. This brush, like I said, was $38. This one is from Luxie, and it's a super nice brush. I like the handle. It's brush number 732, so I'm really excited to have gotten that and tried it out. All right, so the next item we got in here was the Park Avenue Princess palette, and this is from Tarte. I'm super excited to get this. I love Tarte's contours. I use them like almost every day, and this one actually didn't fail me at all. It looks really nice. Kind of dark for my skin, but I can go in with the lighter hands. But I ended up using like this light color to set my whole face, and then I ended up going in with Angel and Princess Cut to contour, and then Angel to bronze up my face. I ended up going with Enhance to kind of, you know, just chisel out my nose a little bit, and I put some right here. But yeah, this is something that I'm really, really excited about. I think all the colors are going to be super nice in here. There are some shimmers, there are some mattes, and so I'm always excited to get something like this, but this is what it looks like, and it's super pretty, and it was one of the reasons why I really wanted this Boxy Luxe box, the Boxy Luxe box, because of that. So that particular item is a $45 item if you bought it in the retail store. So like I said, I'm super, super excited about it. All right, the next thing I got is from Laura Geller. It is the Baked Blush in Bright. So yes, it is definitely a blush, but it definitely has a little bit of a glow to it. So you can see in the demo up here, when I put it on, it's really, really pretty. You just swirl around in this little baked stuff, and it does have kind of a shimmery glow there. So that's really, really pretty. I liked it actually. It doesn't look bad on my skin. It matches what's going on today on my face, and so I didn't mind using this at all. This one in particular is $28 if you bought it in the retail store, and I'm really happy to have gotten it. My color is in Tropical Hues. So yeah, I'm excited to have had that. The next thing I have here is from Pretty Vulgar, and that is their Nightingale palette here. I've actually had this before in the past when Pretty Vulgar first came out with their launch. I ended up picking this up, and then my sister-in-law wanted to try it out, so I sent it over to her, and I believe she still enjoys it, but I am happy to have it back in my collection. So it's a super pretty, like, over-the-top smoky type of palette. So this is one that you would probably use on a night out, or you know, I'm sure you can go pretty soft with this too if you want to. There are some light colors in here. So I ended up taking Nightingale all over the eye here, and then I ended up going in with Hide and Seek in the crease, and then I took Flip Out in the crease as well. So Hide and Seek I went ahead and did like really define my crease, and then Flip Out I took in the corner and then into the crease as well. And then I went ahead and took a little bit of Pillow Fight. No. Then I ended up taking Break Free and putting that all over the lid. And then I ended up going in with All Nighter, which is the dark black, and I lined my eyes with it, and then I lined with Scoop as well down at the bottom and smudged that out a little bit with the Flip Out and the Hide and Seek. And then I believe I took Pillow Fight into the brow. So I think it came out really nice. This is a really, really nice, like I said, kind of sultry type of palette. It's really pretty, and like I said, I'm happy to have this back into my collection. And this particular palette would be $35 if you bought this at the retail store. And then along with that came the brushes from Alamara Cosmetics, the brush set. So you end up getting a fluffy brush here, you get a packer brush, and then a liner brush. And I used all three of these brushes today, except for one other brush within my collection to get this look today. So I think it does really well at blending stuff. I don't mind these brushes at all, and I'm actually happy to have these in my collection. These brushes are $18 if you bought them at the Alamara website, or on the Alamara website, or anywhere that they're sold. So I'm super excited to have these. I love getting brushes, and those ones did not fail me at all. I think those are great brushes. So the next thing I had in the box was from Hank and Henry. It is a liquid lipstick in the color Petal Pusher. So it's so cute. Actually, when I first opened this up, I thought it was an actual lipstick because it has like a lipstick top on there, and I thought maybe it was going to come off, but then I realized that it's actually a twist off there. So it's the lipstick that I have on today. It's definitely a bright lipstick. Probably wouldn't be something that I would pair with this particular look, but I wanted to go ahead and put it on. It seems to be okay. It's dried down pretty well. There's still a little bit of a ring on there when I do that, but I think that it's gonna last most of the day, like most liquid lipsticks do, and it doesn't feel bad on my lips at all. I can't even feel it. And even though it's super bright and, you know, pinky mauve-y colored, it went on really well without any streaks. So I'm really impressed with the Hank and Henry formula. I think they did a really good job, and I'm super excited to see more of their items coming to BoxyCharm. This particular lipstick is a $17 lipstick, so if you bought that at Hank and Henry or on the BoxyCharm website, you're gonna be paying $17 for that. So I'm excited to have that within my collection. All right, the next thing I have is from Juice Beauty. I think it says Juice Beauty. I didn't open this up because I'm still doing a test on other skincare, so I haven't tried this out, but I will give this a try when my test is up. Let me see if I can just open this up and see what it looks like, because I haven't even opened it at all. So I think it's just a cream. It's a huge container, definitely a full-size container of cream, and it's definitely like an all-night cream. That actually smells really pretty citrusy. So, oh, and then it has like a pump. Oh, it has a pump. So I'm assuming that you pump it here onto there. So that's really interesting. We'll see how that works out. Like I said, I haven't given this a try yet. I'm not gonna try it until I'm done doing my full test with some products that I'm testing out right now. This particular product says it is a stem cellular anti-wrinkle moisturizer, which is awesome. I'm always looking for stuff that will anti-wrinkle me because God knows I'm not getting any younger. So this has vitamin C infused, which is awesome. If you don't know what vitamin C does, it actually helps stabilize your skin and take out any discoloration. And it also helps with the little wrinkles that you might have. And then it says a antioxidant rich moisturizer hydrates your skin for lasting and advanced age define. So it says to use under makeup or lightweight hydration. So yeah, this is really interesting. I will definitely be using this under my makeup as soon as I'm done with my test to see how that other stuff is going. So I'm really actually excited to get this. I'm kind of annoyed that I didn't get to use it, but I need to stay on track with what I'm doing. So this particular item is $70. So yeah, I'm super excited to have gotten this and see if that's gonna work. $70 is a lot of money, but y'all know sometimes good skincare is a little expensive. So I'm excited to try that and see if that actually works and see if that's something that I may actually start picking up to put into my, you know, regular routine of stuff. All right, and then the last thing I got was a Death Valley dry shampoo, which I do have it in my hair right now. It looks like this, and it is a instant volume and thickening to your hair on the go. The C & Co travel size dry shampoo is infused with vitamin E and antioxidant rich formula, nourishes your hair and restores luster and shine. I think it actually did give my hair a little bit of a shine, so I'm happy about that. I love getting new dry shampoos. This little guy is $17 for this guy, so you know that the big one is very expensive. So I'm happy to get that. It actually smells really nice, and I think it did give me a little bit of body. I'm on 3rd day hair right now, so I needed to do something with it, and I think it did a really good job of bringing back some life to my hair. So that was everything I got in my box. Oh, I did get one more thing that was not listed, and I think it was just, you know, something that BoxyCharm decided to put in the bag just to, you know, thank everybody for being a part of BoxyCharm. And so it is a tote that says, Tote Charms. So it looks like this, Tote Charm. So I think this is really cool that they decided to put in a tote bag. I know that my daughter will get a lot of good use out of this because she loves things like this to take stuff to work with in. So I'm excited to give this to her, and I'm sure she'll enjoy that. So my box actually added up to $340 for the month. I ended up paying $49.99 for this box, so I'm super excited that BoxyCharm has decided to do a Luxe box, and I'm super excited that I was able to get in on it because it was a crazy rush to try to get in on it this time. I think everybody that tried to get it this month that couldn't will be automatically entered into next month. So hopefully, or into December's month. So hopefully that will happen. Next month I'll be back to my regular BoxyCharm, and then in December I'll get another Luxe box. So I'm excited to see what's coming in December. I'm excited to see what's coming in next month's box, a $21 a month box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you guys were able to pick up the Luxe box or if you ended up just getting the regular box this month, and if you are gonna be eventually getting the Luxe box, if you're able to sign up for it. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, the link for BoxyCharm is down below, and I shall talk to you guys sometime within the week. Bye!